Did you know GoPro once controlled nearly 70% of the global action camera market, was valued at over $11 billion, and today its stock trades for less than $1. A company that defined an entire category is now something the market barely cares about. So what went wrong? And more importantly, what can business owners learn from GoPro's collapse? GoPro starts with one guy, Nick Woodman, a surfer in California. Nick wanted one simple thing: to capture action shots of himself and his friends while surfing. But back then, cameras were bulky, fragile, and totally impractical for action sports. So Nick did what great founders do. He solved his own problem. The first GoPro wasn't fancy. It was a 35mm camera in a plastic case, strapped to your wrist. But it worked. And more importantly, it unlocked something new. People could suddenly shoot professional-looking action footage. Nick hustled hard, surf shop to surf shop, up and down the California coast, convincing owners to carry his product. No big investors, no massive team, just grind. But hustle alone doesn't build billion-dollar companies. Timing does. In the early 2000s, two massive waves hit at the same time. Digital cameras replaced film, YouTube and online sharing exploded. Suddenly people didn't just want to do cool things, they wanted to show the world. Phones couldn't handle action sports. Professional cameras were too expensive. GoPro was the perfect middle ground. Small, rugged, affordable. And here's the genius part. GoPro users became GoPro's marketing department. Every helmet cam shots uploaded to YouTube was free advertising. The brand spread like wildfire. By 2011, GoPro was doing $248 million in revenue. 2 years later, nearly $1 billion. And unlike most tech startups at the time, GoPro was profitable. In 2014, the company went public. IPO price $30 per share. Valuation quickly soared to nearly $11 billion. GoPro was pitched as Red Bull meets Apple, a lifestyle brand powered by hardware. Investors loved it, employees believed it, and the founder, Nick Woodman, became the highest paid CEO that year. This is the moment where many companies make their biggest mistakes. GoPro started believing it wasn't just a camera company anymore. The vision grew fast. Media company, content empire, hardware plus entertainment powerhouse. At the same time, two serious threats were quietly growing. First, smartphones. Apple and Samsung cameras improved every year. Stabilization, 4K video, water resistance. Second, cheap Chinese knockoffs. Cameras that did good enough for a third of the price. GoPro still dominated professionals and hardcore users, but the casual customer was slipping away. GoPro's response was the Hero Session, a smaller, simpler camera with one button. Sounds smart, right? But they priced it at $399, the same price as their full-featured flagship model. Customers asked the obvious question: why would you buy less for the same money? Sales flopped, prices were slashed, retailers lost confidence for the first time ever, and the trust, once lost, it's hard to get back. GoPro was trying everything to survive. First, drones. They launched the Karma drone to compete with DJI. Problem? Battery failures. Caused drones to literally fall out of the sky. Total loss $375 million. DJI won. GoPro exited drones completely. Next, media. GoPro tried becoming a content studio, hiring hundreds of media professionals, but advertisers didn't care. Extreme sports footage didn't sell toothpaste or chocolate bars. No profits, no traction, entire division shut down. By 2018, it was over. Market share dropped from 70% to under 30%. In 2024 alone, GoPro lost over $430 million. The action camera didn't disappear. It just became a future inside smartphones, and GoPro missed the window to protect itself. If you wanna see which tablets I will buy right now, check this video. Like, share and drop the comment below.